What it do, YouTube? We back again with another video. And today, as you seen in the title, we're gonna take the tires from looking like this to this. And like I said, all for $30 to $40, depends on how you do it. And I show y'all how to get the coupons, how I did it, and how to get discounted parts whenever you're trying to do anything. Discounted parts or anything that you're trying to buy offline. It's easy. One simple little app can make a huge difference. 20, 25% off, 30% off, depending on what you're looking for. But other than that, let's get straight to the video. Boom. So everything we're gonna need for today's video to take these rims and make them look totally different is this right here. We got 2 cans of the bright aluminum metallizer. We got 3 cans of the, anthracite gray, I think. I got both of these for, I think, like $16 from Pep Boys, and I'll show you how to get a discount on those. And then I got these for $3.99, $2.99 actually from Lowe's. So when you're using metallizer, it really don't matter what your base coat is. So I'm gonna use the gray, put the metallizer on top, probably like 3 to 4 coats of this, and then 3 wet coats of these. And that's how we're gonna do it with the paint. And then to sand it down, to get it down to where we can actually paint it, we're gonna go with 80 grit starting off to get them real tough grooves. Then we're gonna go to 180. Then we're gonna go to 320 to smooth it out. And to clean it up before we even get started, we're gonna put some tarp down, hit a little pre-dip spray. I got a lot of plastic dip stuff, so went ahead and use that, and then wipe it down with this, dry it up with that, and then we're gonna get right to it. As you can see, after the first bit, the first 80 grit, as you can see, after using the 80 bit, you get it down to where it's pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth all around, except for the big gouges. If you want, you can get some Bondo or some filler, fill these in, and then wait for it to dry and then sand it back down again. But really, like, I'm using plastic dip, so I don't really care about that too much. Really, I didn't even have to sand it, but I guess it's the right way to do it. Plus, with the paint that I'm using, you're not even gonna be able to tell this here. So it's up to you, your decision. I'm just making a video to make a video. Let's get back to it.
As you can see, as I'm doing it, I'm going out a little bit further, because if I was using actual paint, it would show up a lot worse than as it is if I'm about to use this plastic dip. So you want to make sure it's a smooth transition to the other side. But like when I show you when I start doing paint, it's going to look, you're not even going to be able to tell it's there because of the color. So just let me know. So at this point, just smooth it out. It's already pretty smooth, but like I said, like right now, it's pretty smooth to the touch. But like I said, if you want to smooth or fill in these deeper gouges, you would either keep going, keep sanding, or to keep from, save you a little time, you'll get some Bondo, some filler, and just fill these in, a little putty, fill them in, and then sand them down, and they come out a lot better. But I'm gonna hit it with this 320, gonna clean it up, clean the wheel up, and then spray. Now it's handle done. Like clean it up a little bit of this. Or you can use soap and water. Any type of just degreaser. Whatever you use, just clean the wheels up. And then make sure they're completely dry. If you use a classy up or regular paint, make sure they're completely dry. Then we're going to hit it with the base, the black, which you also need to heat up since I'm outside in the truck. I don't have like a bottle of water. I just put it on my vents, turn my truck on, put it on my vents, heat it up so that it won't fucking clot up. It just sprays smooth. So make sure you do that. Clean your wheel up. And then go for the first black base down. 3 full coats of that. And then we're going to do like 2-3 wet coats of the bright aluminum metallizer. And then, yeah.
This is gonna be the setup. Got the tarp behind it. Took the center cap out. Gonna wipe it down with another dry microfiber real quick. Gonna tape up right there, over there, and then I'm gonna get the spray. This is the worst one. I didn't really go that deep to try to get it out. So you can see, it was deep enough nice there. But everywhere else, it's good. Yeah, so like I said, if you'd have went deeper, and really like got into it or used some Bondo or something, you wouldn't have this one outside. But far back, you're not gonna be able to. You can't even see it. Right, so that's why I'm not making this video. These hoes came out good. When I tell you good, I mean good, goddamn it.